Look, nobody is talking straight about this because it hurts. You're pouring everything into your social enterprise, your time, your sanity, your soul. And what do you have to show? Data scattered everywhere. Impact claims that look good on paper but mean nothing when it comes down to trust, accountability, or making real change. And that, at its core, is lethal. Because if you can't prove what you do actually works, investors won't touch you, partners won't lean in, communities won't trust you. You're swimming in frustration, watching others who can't even measure their impact get the money and the spotlight. That's not fair. It's infuriating. You know your work matters, but the world demands numbers, proof, results. The question is, how do you stop drowning in meaningless metrics and actually make impact measurement your weapon, not your chain? First, drop the idea that impact measurement is only about reports. It's not a checkbox or a PR stunt. It's your lifeline. That means stop treating it like a last-minute project and start building it into your core daily operations. Create systems that gather data in real time, not when a grant deadline screams at you. I'm talking about integrating impact tracking with your team's regular workflows, using tools your people actually understand and trust, not some complicated software no one knows how to use. If your impact data lives in spreadsheets no one updates or reads, it's dead weight, plain and simple. Second, don't try to measure everything. Focus like a sniper. Pick 2 or 3 impact metrics that speak directly to what changes you're driving in people's lives or the environment. Not vanity numbers that impress journalists. These metrics have to be actionable. If you can't change your strategy based on what the numbers say, you're wasting time. Commit to brutally honest evaluation, even if it means exposing failures. Real leaders don't hide behind nice graphs. They learn from the mess and iterate fast. Third, embed transparency like it's oxygen. Share your impact data openly, not just in fancy annual reports, but ongoing updates that investors, communities, and your team can check anytime. Real impact measurement kills secrecy. When everyone can see what works and what doesn't, you build trust that turns into long-term support. Hiding behind vague claims is a death sentence in today's world. Fourth, don't forget the human side of impact measurement. Numbers mean nothing without stories and context. Pair your metrics with real voices from the ground. Clients, beneficiaries, partners, so your data breathes. This hybrid approach makes your impact relatable and impossible to ignore. It's easier to get money, followers, and collaborators when people feel the pain and triumph behind those numbers, not just see charts. Finally, shift your mindset. Impact measurement isn't a burden, it's your competitive advantage. The world is waking up and the bar is rising every day. The founders, investors, and leaders who master this will not just survive, they will own the future of social enterprise. Start treating measurement like a core product feature. Build it in, own it fiercely, and watch how doors open when people know you're serious about what you claim. So stop complaining about the system not getting you. Start reshaping your game with impact measurement that delivers real proof, real trust, real change. Do this, or prepare to be invisible. Because the future belongs to those who don't just talk impact, but measure it, own it, and use it to drive results that no one can deny. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.